the motion?
Cheating death.
Cheating death, okay.
Dragon step.
You could also do it with this dragon step as well.
Oh, it's a dragon step for cheating death.
So we have this movement, and you can, instead of using your hand, you can substitute with a staff. If I pass this step to the other hand, I can switch the movement back and forth. So I have kind of cheating deaths on both sides, but with a staff in my hand. I think without a staff it would kind of switch the hand be this movement. Alright, so this is part one. Then we did staff folding, which this is the movement, and we started with one step on the shoulder. So I noticed in theory it's kind of always more in this kind of position, but for the start it's good to begin like this. The step on the shoulder goes on top of the other step. I let it roll down, and it would fall down usually here. So instead of letting it fall down, I push through with my elbow or with my wrist, and at this point where it's almost back to horizontal, I switch hands, and now the other stuff can roll. We have done some variations where at the point I can choose, like if I push a little bit more, it goes back on top of my head, and I can kind of have this continuous movement with one step. I could also choose to push it a little bit more sideways, and then we jump to the other side, and we have this continuous movement where just one step rolls. Although we have not done it so far, you could also say I push it over my head, kind of stop here. Okay, so this is intro to staff folding, and we also did traps a little bit. We have the horizontal trap, where if I do the movement without hands, it's kind of like go circle and stop on the other side. But instead of now my body is turning, and instead of my body turning, I kind of give the staff a little bit of a momentum sideways. The position is I have one hand upper arm to wrist and have the staff, the other staff, so I can put pressure with the other staff. Flip it through, and I have a trap here. Alright, and we did a small variation. Let me do it from this side, where I can say if I give more of a sideways pressure than a downward pressure, and I can extend the move. I'm actually not that good at, but somewhat like this. Alright. Yeah, thank you everyone for participating. Thank you.